Hey Fit Babes, today we're doing a 15-minute high-intensity interval training workout. No equipment, we're on each exercise for 45 seconds and then resting for 15. And this first exercise is a real butt kicker. Get it? Because you're kicking your butt. All right, here we go.
Walking around like you're some kind of star, yeah. You're talking sweet, pulling strings, but I know there's always something up your sleeve. So I won't listen to a word you speak anymore, oh no. 'Cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loveless. When you're without me, you're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around?
Next up, we have some good old-fashioned jumping jacks.
Sooner or later, you gotta face the facts one of these days when your luck has run out. But don't you come crawling back, 'cause you know we're through, oh yeah. 'Cause you only cloud my eyes so that I can see the sky. You're gonna be loveless. When you're without me, you're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless. I'm throwing all your dirty.
Next, we're doing some jump squats. Now notice I'm doing 3 pulses at the bottom before I jump up. This will really help to burn out your quads.
To say your actions said it all. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, you're gonna be loveless. When you're without me, you're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless. Oh, sooner or later. Yeah, sooner or later.
15 seconds of rest, and now we're gonna lunge to the side into a knee raise. Keep your core engaged here. It's gonna help you keep your balance and get down nice and low into your lunge.
You think you're all that, you're gonna be loveless. Sooner or later. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together, everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We'll get so
Resting for 15, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side.
anywhere and anything. I'll be there. And I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again.
we're gonna do a back kick with a knee raise in the front. This is gonna work your core and your cute tush.
You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together.
15 seconds of rest. Now we're gonna do a little throwback to Tracy Anderson. We're gonna do some toe taps. We're gonna go right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, and then repeat.
Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything.
15 seconds of rest. Now we're gonna finish out that back kick into a knee raise exercise that we did on the other side.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby,
Resting for 15. Now we're gonna do around the world lunges. So you're gonna lunge to the front, lunge to the side, and then you're gonna lunge to the back and repeat.
just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me.
15 seconds of rest, and then we are repeating that same thing on the other side.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my
Resting for 15, and we are really burning out the quads today. We're gonna do a double pulse side lunge into a double pulse curtsy lunge. So 2 pulses to the side, then you're gonna cross that leg behind the other foot and do a double pulse in your curtsy lunge.
Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Stay awake till the night is through with you by my side, with you by...
Resting for 15, and then we're gonna repeat the exact same thing on the other side.
To your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
Good job, you guys. Take a 15-second rest, and then we're gonna do some squat jacks.
Do it on repeat.
Resting for 15, and then we're gonna work the side tush. I like to use the wall for these for a little extra balance. That way I'm really focusing on the glute.
But there's something moving on, the way of being long gone. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. I know I should have.
Resting for 15, and then we are gonna repeat the same thing on the other side.
Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on, the way of being long gone. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up.
Keep it going, guys. This is your last exercise. We are almost there. Just 5 seconds left and you have completed your 15-minute high-intensity interval training workout. If you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And if you want my full autumn bottom 8-week challenge, Monday through Friday, follow along fitness videos, check the link in the description, and we will see you soon with another video.